Imagine the scent of lemons wafting through the air, the azure Mediterranean Sea in sight, and a landscape that artists and poets have immortalized. Welcome to Capri, Italy's coastal gem. This breathtaking island is home to the ethereal Blue Grotto, the charming Piazzetta, and historic villas that whisper tales of bygone eras. Capri is more than a destination. It's a blend of natural beauty, history, and modern luxuries that beckon you to unwind and explore. Capri, an island where you can bask in the Italian sun and enjoy la dolce vita. Now dive into the heart of the Mediterranean to Malta, a small island with a big history. This is a place where every stone tells a tale, from the ancient temples to the Baroque architecture of Valletta. Here, the UNESCO World Heritage Sites stand as a testament to a vibrant past. Bask in the beauty of the stunning coastline, feel the warm embrace of the Maltese hospitality, and immerse yourself in the rich culture. Malta, a Mediterranean jewel waiting to be discovered. Next, let's turn up the heat with Ibiza, Spain's party paradise. Here, the rhythm of the night dances with the whisper of the waves, where world-class DJs spin their magic against a backdrop of stunning beaches. But Ibiza isn't just about the party. Venture beyond the clubs to the serene countryside, a tranquil retreat awash in lush greenery and rustic charm. It's a juxtaposition that only Ibiza can offer, a dance between the vivacious and the serene. Ibiza, where the party never stops and the beauty never fades. Now, escape to Corsica, France's island of beauty, where the mountains meet the sea. Picture a place where diverse landscapes collide, where pristine beaches kiss the edges of rugged peaks. Imagine the thrill of hiking trails that weave through untamed wilderness, leading to historic towns brimming with character. Envision immersing yourself in a culture distinctively Corsican, a blend of French and Italian, yet uniquely its own. Corsica, where every view is a postcard. Finally, let's sail to Santorini, Greece's sun-kissed island where the sunsets paint the sky. Picture this. Iconic blue-domed churches perched on cliff edges overlooking the azure Aegean Sea. Imagine witnessing breathtaking sunsets that set the sky ablaze with hues of fiery orange and soft pink. Feel the allure of ancient ruins whispering tales of yore, and savor the delicious Greek cuisine, a feast for all senses. Here, romance is as abundant as the unique volcanic beaches. Santorini, where every sunset is an unforgettable spectacle. So there you have it. 5 Mediterranean islands that offer endless adventures and unforgettable memories. From Italy's coastal gem Capri to the heart of the Mediterranean Malta. From the party paradise of Spain's Ibiza to Corsica, France's island of beauty, and finally, Greece's sun-kissed Santorini. Each island, a testament to the beauty and diversity of the Mediterranean region. If you're as captivated as we are by these beautiful islands, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join us as we continue to explore the world's most stunning destinations. Until next time, keep exploring.